the wife to the crown prince of Ubuntu Kingdom. Morning greetings, my queen.
Good morning, Merida. I did not hear you come.
Though I have the feeling you've been avoiding me.
Avoiding you? Why?
I don't know, but I can feel it. My queen. See, we are the only two female adults in this palace. We should be working together. We shouldn't be worlds apart as female. We should,
I am not avoiding anybody. I'm a little bit exhausted after a busy time in the UK. Please, don't count it that way.
No, I understand. I perfectly understand. Oh, it's okay. Where is your husband?
Oh, he went into town. He'll be back soon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Though I have a feeling he does not approve my presence in this palace.
Who? My husband?
Mm-hmm.
No, don't say that. My husband can be impossible and stubborn, but he does not hate people. He is not with such a heart.
Well, if you say so. See, I have this thing. When someone...
Hi, baby.
Hi.
Are you okay? What are you doing with my wife?
Your wife. Is that supposed to be a joke?
Stay away from my wife. I do not want to see you close to her again. You are here for my father. Stay around him. If I see you anything as close as an inch to her again, you'll be sorry.
Is that a threat?
A threat? Let me see you close to her again, and then we'll find out. Gold digger.
What's up? What's up?
When would you stop frolicking with these girls?
Guess when you stop being so sexy and being pretty, I might think of stopping.
You need help.
I know.
And you will never change.
Come on, man, you are worse than me.
Right.
Of course. You know that, right?
If you have to do this, do it somewhere else. Not here.
This is somewhere else. Not like inside the palace. Oh, really? Okay, since you're giving me holier than thou attitude, maybe I'll go tell your wife of your activities. How about that? Off I go. Your mind skipped. No, I was joking. So you look troubled. What is it?
On me.
Sweet, what is it? What is it again?
It was so real. I saw you, the king, Anu Bienze.
It was just a dream, like you said. There's no way we would have been in such acts.
Something is wrong here, but I can't place my hand on it. Get me my Bible.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to startle you.
It's fine. I didn't hear you come. But I'm
That's
okay.
We've really never had time to talk. Are you deliberately avoiding me?
Avoid you. Nah, far from that. You know I'm a very busy person, and besides, you're my father's mistress. And I don't think we have much in common than the former relationship.
You sound very interesting. And I like that. What are you doing out here all alone at this hour of the night? Are you okay?
I guess I was bored. So I decided to come out and feel the breeze and look at the sky. Count the stars.
That actually makes the two of us. I was bored sick after your father slept off. Not like I blame him, the old bones needed to rest. He was fast spent after just one trip. Oh, I'm sorry. Didn't mean to bore you with stories of me and your father. Oh, can I have a stick? Why are you looking at me like that? What do you take me for? A scent? Please.
Nah, I didn't say that. Just that you're my father's mistress. And I know he's very principled when it comes to women.
You equally sound exciting. I like that. In fact, I want to know more of you.
And I can feel the exciting vibe around you too. So, tell me more about yourself.
What is there to tell? I'm just a poor village orphan from the nearby kingdom who is searching for love and adventure. There you have it.
I see.
So can I have the stick now?
Sure.
We will be good friends. You look good.
You too. You're not looking bad.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Both of you and the rest are in royal service. In the house of royalty. Okay? So, we must feed royalty itself. You must learn royal gait. You must learn even royal
My bad. Okay. No, you leave longer, please.
my sweet honey. I hope you've been to see the doctor today.
That's where I'm coming from. And he senses with that.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful.
He
Yes.
asked me to give you this.
Now, what's this?
Well, I am afraid, Your Highness, I cannot tell you that. I really don't have the courage to. So you have to open it yourself.
I am opening it and it's not opening.
Open it, Your Highness.
Yes. The letter.
Mm-hmm.
The letter. Now, this is... You're not serious about this, are you? Are you?
I am.
You are? Oh, gods of our land. What can I do without you? Oh, you've chosen to bless me in my old age. What a miracle. What a miracle. Good to have a child. I'm going to be a father yet again. Eh? Hey, come now, come on. You know? Come on. Let's go inside. This calls for celebration. Hey, come on. Hey. I open the door for you. From now on, you do nothing. Do not say that about my mistress ever again. She's a member of this royal family now.
Like you said, Father, she's only just a mistress. And I do not have anything against her. However, I am not comfortable with her schemes in this palace.
What was that? What did you say? Schemes? Can you explain that?
She's a schemer. How in this world can she be pregnant for you, the king of water? How?
I see. Impudence. So, the gods of Ubuntu cannot
bless me even as my old age. Is that what you're insinuating? Ikemefuna, you are my son, but I forbid you or any other person from talking about my mistress in that manner.
I only speak the truth, Father, and not against her. But anyone that is in the way of our peace in this household will not have it likely by me.
Now what do you mean? Who are you? A mere boy whose umbilical cord has not been cut. If the gods of Ubuntu did not want her, they would have revealed it to me. Be careful. Be careful the way you talk to me. This is still my kingdom.
I have been loyal, Father. I have been humble, obedient to you. Do not set this kingdom ablaze before you hand it over to me or anyone else.
Leave my sight now. Now! Merida, please go easy. Huh? I love everything about you. I hate to see you sad.
I love everything about you. I hate to see you sad. What a big joke. Igwe, the only thing you love about me is the fact that I keep your royal bed warm.
No, Merida. You mean much more than that to me, and you know it. Merida, you brought joy and happiness to an old man.
Then why do you allow your son to make my stay here miserable? I don't understand why he wants to take away my happiness. Even yours. He does not want you to be happy, can't you see?
What must I do to make you happy? Tell me.
make me your wife.
I just knew this whole thing was going to end up like this. It's freaking me out.
This is really serious.
I saw this coming. My father is talking about getting married to her, making her his wife. How? He looked me straight in the face and said that's why.
But on the real, this is really serious. I mean, what does she want? What is she doing here?
Blood of the king. Blood of the king.
Support my desire to be your father's wife. And in return, I will give you that which I know your heart desires.
Which is? Father, I have come to see who she truly is. She's very kind, loving and accommodative person with a heart of gold. And I support your desire to make her my stepmother. It will gladden my heart to see her around you.
It's a big relief. A big relief that at least one of my children supports my happiness in this my old age. I don't know why Dikeh hates her with such a burning passion. But I'm sure that with time she will turn around and regard her as his stepmother. Yes.
This is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. You support father marrying a total stranger? Do you know who that lady is? Do you know what she wants from us, what she wants from our family, where she's from? What if father is under some sort of enchantment?
No one is under any enchantment. All I see is a lonely old man who wants a little bit of happiness before he joins his ancestors. Why not allow father and that young lady have their fun? She's not standing on anyone's way. Besides, she's carrying a child, another royal seed.
Oh God. So you believe that? I know what that lady has done to blindfold everyone in this palace, and I don't get it. Wake up, Adoma! Wake up before it's too late!
Blow, 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 blow. Blow, 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 blow. Blow the holy king. Blow the holy king. Yo. Yo.
You're here.
Hey, baby. You done eating?
Yes.
How was it?
It was...
What is it? What is it? What is it? Hey. God! What is this?
Get a car!
Get in it!
Get into the car. Give me a phone. What are you insinuating? That food which was served in this palace,
from which every one of us partook, was poisoned by somebody. Beware of entertaining such dangerous thoughts in your head.
I am not a doctor that confirmed that she was poisoned. Father, I lost my child. Your grandchild. How can I possibly be making these things up? There's something absolutely wrong in this palace, and you know it.
So you are accusing me, your father, the king of Ubuntu Kingdom, of complicity in the wild wind that's your head.
I did not accuse you, Father. I'm only stating the obvious. Someone in this palace masterminded the entire thing. It wasn't food poisoning. It was poison. I'm sure of it.
Hey, bring my briefcase.
Father, if you will do nothing about it, I will. Someone poisons my wife. In this palace. Under this roof. And you expect me to be calm about it? Since my father made the devil his mistress, nothing has stayed same. And now, she comes for my wife and I. She decides to take my wife's life. She'll have to go through me first.
Well, I strongly believe you, my prince. There's no smoke without fire. She is the one behind this. I mean, such a thing has never happened in this palace before. Listen. We must unmask her and make the king send her away.
And don't you both think that there is an enemy that we don't know?
You are all aware that Evelyn, the wife of my son here, Dikeh, heir apparent to the throne of Ubuntu Kingdom, was poisoned. Poisoned by the food she ingested in this palace. As spurious as that may sound, I had to go to the hospital to find out for myself. And I want to announce that it is no longer an allegation. The hospital has confirmed that Evelyn was actually poisoned by the food she ate in this palace. What that means is that we have a killer among us here. Subsequently, I had to go to Abalance. Try and find out who the evil killer among us is. The Abalance has shown who the killer is. The person that did the poisoning. He went further to say that that person is not working alone. That the person has accomplices in this palace. That's disturbing news. Isiako, step forward. Quickly! Step forward here before I behead you. Speak before I behead you. Why did you poison Evelyn's food? Why? How did you do it?
I am innocent. I did not do it. You're my king, and I couldn't have concealed such evil thoughts in my heart, let alone allow my hands carry them. Please, please, spare my life, please.
Stop! I can see that you have evil in your heart. Guards, far away and behead her.
Wait. I know that this is not in my place to ask. Nonetheless, I would ask. It is my wife that was poisoned. But thanks to the gods for sparing her life. Let us not take another man's life or spill blood because of what was done to my wife. That being said, I humbly plea that you banish her instead. And if she is guilty, that the gods judge her. But if she's innocent, let posterity judge us. I beg of you, Father. Guards, take her away from this place and ensure that she does not set her feet on this kingdom.
Babe, you're tearing me apart. It's okay, can you just stop? Stop crying. Listen. I know this is a very trying time for us, but we need to find strength to move on. Okay? Come here.
God, why me? Why me?
Hey. Enough. The gods know why they allowed this to happen. Alright? It's enough. We still have so much ahead of us. Okay?
Barrister, you're welcome.
Thank you, Your Highness.
I invited you here, as well as members of my family, to make the following announcement. I want my will changed. My will we have to change to accommodate my wife here, who is also the mother-to-be of my child unborn. I will give you details of the will subsequently. That's why I asked you over. That's why I asked my family to be present.
Okay, Your Highness, I have heard you, and I will be waiting for your information as you promised.
My father has obviously lost his mind. How? What are you talking about? Rewriting his will without letting me in on it. His first son, the heir to the throne of Ogunda Kingdom. How? No. There's no way that man is my father. No way. He's practically acting like a robot. I don't know what she has given to him, but that is not my father. There's definitely something wrong somewhere.
Honey, I suggest we return back to the States. Maybe after some time, your father will realize that he's making a very big mistake. By then, he will realize that he needs his son around him.
No way. There's no way I'm leaving my kingdom and running to a foreign land. There's no way. This is my land. I will stay here and resolve this.
But you are no longer needed here. Can't you see that your presence has been moved to the background? Your father now listens to his mistress more than you. Is it when you have been reduced to a maid servant that you will understand that you will walk away? Save your face and walk away. Now that you still have a little dignity left in you.
Blood of the king, blood of the king. Blow, 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 blow. Blood of the king, blow, 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 the king. Blood of the king, blood of the king.
You seem to be very comfortable with all that is happening in this house. Merida has come to steal the joy we have shared for years now. Our bond, our happiness. Someone who is here for our own selfish desires, a gold digger.
This is a modern age. You do not expect me to be at war with everyone just because my brother doesn't like them. Why do you want to create a war where there is none? Or are you greater in wisdom than Father? Or more spiritually deep than Agbalanze, the seer, who finds her worthy to be around the palace? Prince Ikemefuna, Donald Ikemba, do not stand in the way of the gods.
Blood of the king, blood, 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 king. Blood of the king, blood of the king.
Dikeh! Who is it? King, it's me. There's a problem, I need to speak with you.
What is it?
What, the king? I don't know. Your father, the king.
Yes.
He just slumped.
Have you called Dr. Smith?
Oh, yes. She's on her way.
What did you do to my father? What?
She did nothing to father. She said he just slipped and slumped on the ground.
I don't believe that.
Maybe he tripped or something.
I don't believe that.
Don't touch him.
I don't believe that. How long is it going to take her to get here? Now, can you call her again and know where she is?
I've called her. I believe she should be close.
I said, don't touch him.
He has a sore on his head, obviously due to the fall. I cannot ascertain the level of damages done until he's stable. Then we can run a scan on him.
Blow, 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 blow. Blow, 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 blow. Blood of the king. Blood of the king.
Thank you very much, Doctor. I appreciate it. What could have made him slow? Father, for a long time now, has not complained about any form of ailment at all. How come all this is happening now?
Honestly, King, I'm as confused as you are. I mean, I can't just understand what is going on. I suspect there is an evil aura
around your father's mistress. No, come to think of it, since she came in this palace, there's been negativities. There's been a bad vibe. There's been so much going on. Think of it.
We need to be very careful. We need to be very careful. We cannot trust anyone in this palace, not even the guards.
Sure.
I have a strong feeling that someone is after my father's life. I cannot place it, but I know it. We cannot trust anyone. Not the guards, not the maidens. Please, I really need you to keep watch over my father.
Hey, come on.
I beg you.
You don't need to beg me. He's also my uncle. That's not a problem.
Thank you. If you get tired, I'll come and take over later at night.
It's cool. Let me go watch over him. Go sleep.
His recovery rate is quite slow. But I'm certain that he would snap out of it and regain consciousness. Did he in any way complain about any form of body weakness before this happened?
No, he didn't. Why do you ask?
Can I see you privately?
Sure.
Your Highness, there are high dosage of tramadol and other painkillers in his bloodstream. Surprisingly, your father that I know does not ascribe to self-medication, and continuous usage of these drugs could be detrimental to his health. Who knows? There might be someone somewhere administering these drugs to him to kill him slowly.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Your Highness.
What are you doing?
So it's been you all along. It's been you. I will kill you with my bed.
Your hands off him, or I will blow her skull into pieces.
Wait a minute. What is going on here? So both of you are in this together. Obieze, what did we ever do to you? What? My father took you in when your father passed, and he has treated you nothing less than a son. Nothing less than a son. He has given you all the privileges. This man has loved you and given you...
Oh, cut me that bullshit! What do you know about love? I'm asking you, what do you and your father know about love? When he killed my father with his occultism, you talk about love?
What the hell are you talking about?
Oh yes. Your father killed my father, his elder brother. If not, why did he die the next day after returning from the city, where he went to inform your father about his upcoming coronation as the next king of Ubuntu? Why?
Your father killed my father, knowing that he will be the next in line when he dies. From that day, I vow to pay your father back for his wickedness. The throne he enjoys today is mine. And I'm here to take what rightfully belongs to me.
I know nothing about what you're talking about. I swear on my mother's grave, my father did not kill your father. He loved him. He loved your father. Remember how we used to be, Obieze? Remember how we used to be? How
Oh, cut me that sermon, Muggo. I'm here to take what rightfully belongs to me. I'm here to end this.
Hey, take the throne. Take anything you want. Spare my father. Spare my wife's life. Spare her life. Please, you can have it all.
Why are we even wasting time with this loser? Let's end this charade.
Get the hell out of me! You're like mad on me to do this.
Not so fast. You're under arrest for murder and attempted murder.
I didn't kill anyone. I didn't kill anyone. I don't know what you're talking about. I did not kill anyone.
You'll soon find out who you killed.
Isiako.
He took me to an Indian temple where we obtained some charms, which I used on the king to make him fall in love with me. Our plan was to take over everything. When the king requested that his will be rewritten, we took advantage of that to influence the will that it may favor me and Obieze. which we forced the lawyer to do at gunpoint. He had no choice.
Do you have any other thing to tell me?
What could be the reason for Adelma's arrest? Yesterday it was Obieze and Merida. Now it's Adelma. Hope we are still safe in this palace.
My dear, I'm really scared. Because with the way things are going in this palace, they might come and arrest us one day. I'm thinking of going back to my maternal home.
It doesn't go to that extent. Eh?
Look at them. Gossipers.
I am sorry, son, for not being there when you needed me most. Forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive your father. You know, the world is really, really evil. And we must all know that. I should have resisted that evil woman, resisted whatever power she came with. But I failed. Son, I failed. Isako, you saved my life. You saved my life, not minding that once I passed a death sentence on you, our gods will continue to protect you.
See. It is my pleasure to serve you till death, Your Highness.
Indeed, this household has been under a lot of pressure. I myself have had my own share of the pressure. But in all of this, I have become stronger. It's good. And indeed, I can beat my chest to say that I'll be able to withhold the pressure of the throne.
Oh yes. Son, you have indeed demonstrated that. You know, the events of the recent past have assured me that you are well able to grapple the affairs of the throne when I am gone. Yes, I am enormously proud of you. You know, you are the first seed of my loins. No fear.
Not at all.
Oh, this world is really evil. Evil. We must all be strong to resist the devil and his cohorts. Who would have thought that that evil woman wasn't pregnant after all? Oh, she had me. She had me deceived completely. I was taken in. Son.
Father.
You must avoid those mistakes I made.
You have taught me well, Father.
Lord of the King,